In today's video, we'll be discussing on how to import data on SPSS. Looking at your SPSS platform, we have the data and the variable view. Go to File, click on File, then scroll to Import Data. On Import Data, there are many options there. We have database, we have Excel, we have CSV data. But for the sake of this training, we are going to limit it to Excel, which I believe is more appropriate for you to import data from Excel document. But you can use any other options. Let's click Excel. Now, it takes you to where your data sets are. Mine is class training. Open. Depending on the operating system of your laptop or your PC, it takes time to open. Just hold on, it will come up. Good. So this box should be filled with data before OK will be clicked. Then you click OK. Now you have your data sets. Once you import your data, the first thing you are going to do is to check if the categories are well aligned. On this data set is about device, electrical gadgets owned by the respondents, the color of these gadgets, and other information on their sex, on their age, and so on. So looking at this, we see on the variable view, we see the name of variables, we see the type and the rest. You can just check your data view. Under sex, we have 2, 1, 2, 1, meaning there are two categories. Return back to your variable view, then assign values to the sex. Since they are in two categories, you can say 1 for male, you had, say 2 for female, you had. Then you click OK. Then on this data set, we have device owned. From the instruments used to collect this data, there are 5 categories of device owned. Then you can just categorize them. The first one is the tablet. The second is Mac. The third is personal computer, PC. The fourth, smartphone. You had, and the fifth, the printer. You had. Okay. Then you go to the color. From the instrument, we have 5 colors. We have black, silver, you have blue, you have a fourth one, you have white, and the fifth, finally, you have brown. Hard. Click OK. So these are now in categories. After you might have imported your data, just confirm that all the variables are in their respective categories. In our next video, we'll be shooting on how to code your data from string variable to numerical variable.